Hey guys, my name is Tasha. Welcome back to my channel, My Cake Game. And if this is your first time here, please make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Today, I am going to be designing a mini grunge cake for a 2-year-old. I know this is a little bit different than what you're used to seeing for a 2-year-old, but I wanted to do something completely different and out of the box. Also, when I say mini cake, I mean mini cake. That's why you see the Mucinex bottle there next to it so you can get a visual of how small this cake is. Now we're going to jump right into it, and right now I'm just simply putting the buttercream on the cake, and the buttercream is vanilla buttercream. If you want the recipe for that, I've created a recipe and you can click on the link and grab it. And what I'm going to do right now is just go around the entire cake and coat it really good with buttercream. I kind of made this a two-step process where I loaded the little cake with buttercream and I kind of went back over it with different colors, scraped it off, and put it right back on. And that's what kind of gave it a nice effect. If you want to, you can lay the buttercream out, maybe on acetate film, and put the black and gray over it. So now you can see that I've already put all of the buttercream that I'm going to put. Now I'm going to add the black and the gray buttercream on top. And if you're looking for a tutorial that's more girly, then check out my splash cake tutorial. It's pink, it's beautiful, it has splash on it. Hey, it's just the perfect cake for that special girl. Now, by me actually putting the buttercream on the cake and scraping it off, when I go to put it back on, you'll understand it's actually going to give it an automatic design. Like I said, you can do this by spreading out acetate film and putting the layers of buttercream on it, but you're going to kind of do the same thing. I just chose to do everything from the cake itself. So when I scraped it off, as you'll see, and then put it back on, the buttercream has combined to actually make a design. And you can do all of this in under 30 minutes. I know it sounds like a lot, but it really isn't. This cake could really be gender fluid because it doesn't signify that it's for a girl or for a boy. And I know a lot of the cakes I do have a lot of pinks and teals in them, but I wanted to do something different. So now we're going to start with the process of doing the scraping. And like I said, we're going to scrape it off and put it back on. And just give it a couple of more scrapes, but you don't want to scrape it all off. And you can see that it's nicely layered. And now we're going to put it back on. And again, it has its own pattern because we kind of combined it without muddying it. I love how cakes unfold. In the beginning process, sometimes you don't see it, and it's not until you get to a certain point that you can actually see it coming together. Ideas on how you can do an out of the box cake that's not so traditional.